After I hit my weekly usage limit with Claude for the first time, I decided to find out how this usage thing works and share the tips of how to use my token more efficiently. 2 tips were out, and apparently a lot of people are feeling the same pain. So let's continue the topic today. The core of the different strategies are essentially around 1, how to keep each session in a reasonable length, which we talked about last time, and 2, how to get the most from each session. And in this space, writing a better prompt is the single highest leverage thing you can do to save your tokens. Before you start a new brainstorming session, skip those back and forth warm-up questions. Start with a mega prompt to front-load all the specifics of your requirement, and that should give you the better first draft response and save up to 80% of your message overhead, including your goals, your format, length, your audience, constraints, what to do, what do you want, what do you not want, examples, etc. Great. But this is a lot of detail to remember. We are humans and we forget things. So instead of you struggling to remember every component of a mega prompt, you ask another LLM to generate the prompt for you. You can simply use this prompt as a template. And what's even better is you can actually build this mega prompt as a project in Claude, so you don't have to copy and paste every time or retype those words. The other thing you can do is to ask AI to interview you for clarification questions by adding this language in your prompt. The key here is how and when you use it. So the rule of thumb, only ask for 1 round of interview for complex tasks, not for the simple ones. And the break-even point is roughly, will this task take more than 10 messages to execute? If yes, then 1 round of clarification interview is almost cheaper than the back and forth. All right, practice these 2 and follow for part 3. We're going to talk about what you can do when there is a file you need to pull in the conversation. See you soon. Every time you send a new prompt to Claude, the entire conversation, all the questions, answers, artifacts, the files you loaded, gets to resend to Claude again, from top to down, because Claude doesn't have memory between messages. So if you have a 40 message thread, all of the 40 messages from top to down get reloaded every single time you ask a new question. So as the conversation gets longer, every single message gets more expensive.